Hello and welcome to another Wolf Time gaming video. We've got a fantastic giveaway for you today. You can get either this Gaunts Ghost box for Warhammer 40k or for Star Wars Legion you can win this box of ARC Troopers. I'll tell you how you can win one of these box sets in just a second, but first, as usual, let's get that kettle on. Okay, so let's take a closer look at one of our prizes, as in the Gaunts Ghost. Now this is an absolutely fantastic set, obviously based on the Gaunts Ghost novel series. These are some amazing minis. I absolutely love Commissar Gaunt just in the middle there. These miniatures as well from the the Games Workshop range are brilliant. They're absolutely amazing. Astra Militarum or Imperial Guard miniatures. You've got so much detail in there compared to the original sculpts and things, and you could probably use these in many games as well, not just Warhammer 40k. There's loads of different options there for you to go with. Now the second up, we've got the ARC Troopers for Star Wars Legion. As you know, Star Wars Legion is a real sort of passion of mine. I love the game, my kids love the game, we play this all the time, and they're absolutely fantastic miniatures. I mean, look at the sculpts on these. The ARC Troopers look fantastic, so thematic, especially the ones flying through the air. All you need to do to win one of these fantastic box sets is firstly hit that subscribe button. The next thing you need to do is comment on this video. That's it. Let me know which one of these box sets you'd like. If you want both, stick yourself down on both as well, and I will enter you into both draws. Now I'll be doing the draw on the 21st of August. That's the 21st of August, and you've got until then to enter the actual draw itself. I'll then pick two names using a random number generator, and I'll get this in the post to you completely free of charge. To recap that, all you need to do, hit subscribe, comment down below, let me know which one of these you want and why. If you haven't already, go and check out the other videos on the channel. They're absolutely fantastic. Got loads of painting videos out there. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.